How to change passcode on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to change passcode on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So just head over to your settings right here. Scroll down until you reach Touch ID and passcode. It can also be Face ID and passcode. So enter your passcode that you have right now. After that, you can just head over, and what you can do is you can click on this change passcode right here. Then enter your old passcode. And then in here, enter your new passcode. You can also click on this passcode options right here in order to customize. It can be alphanumeric, it can be custom numeric, or it can also be a 4-digit numeric code. So for me, I'll just choose a 4-digit. After that, I'll just put in the password that I want to put. And then in here, just verify the new passcode that you want to use. After you've done that, your passcode will be changed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change passcode on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.